In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Zoho subscriptions, providing you with a comprehensive guide for 2025. Setting up Zoho subscriptions can be an incredibly powerful tool for managing your billing and subscriptions efficiently. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to the Zoho Books dashboard. This is your starting point for all things Zoho. If you haven't already logged in, do so now to access your dashboard. Once you're there, you'll notice a variety of options and tools available to you. There, look for the Subscribe button. It should be prominently displayed on your dashboard, and clicking on it will begin the process of managing your subscriptions more effectively. After you've clicked Subscribe, you'll be guided to an option that says Upgrade Plan. Click on Upgrade Plan, which is going to redirect you to the Zoho store. This seamless transition into the Zoho store is where you'll be choosing the best plan for your specific needs. In the Zoho store, you will see a variety of subscription plans laid out for you. Take a moment to consider what your needs are and how each plan might cater to those needs. Select the plan that makes the most sense for your current setup and business goals. Once you've decided, move ahead and click on Upgrade. This action tells the system that you're ready to proceed with your selected plan. Next, you'll want to ensure that all necessary information is entered, and if you require, select any additional add-ons that might enhance your subscription experience. Add-ons can provide extra functionalities and are a great way to customize your subscription to fit your specific needs. Now click on Continue to move forward in the process. This will take you to a review page. It's crucial at this stage to give everything a thorough check. Review your order details to ensure that everything is correct, including the selected plan and any add-ons you've chosen. This step helps to prevent any errors before proceeding to payment. Once you're satisfied, it's time to enter your billing address and payment details. Make sure you have these details handy for a smooth checkout experience. The information you provide here must be accurate to ensure uninterrupted service. Finally, once you've double-checked all your details and are ready to move ahead, click on Make Payment. This will complete your subscription setup. Congratulations, you're now fully set up with Zoho subscriptions. This process not only helps streamline your billing activities, but also supports the automation needs of your business, saving time and resources. Thank you for tuning in today. We hope this guide helps you in setting up Zoho subscriptions with confidence. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tips and tutorials.